Since 1983, Danella Rental Systems has become a premier equipment supplier for the utility, rail, and construction industry. Short-term, long-term, or rent-to-buy opportunities are available for your next vehicle, truck, backhoe, material handler, trailer, and more. Flexibility is a key when it comes to offering our customers quality and affordable fleet options. Our emphasis on safety, routine maintenance, and rotation of fleet offers your crews the latest equipment and the newest technology. With multiple locations throughout North America, we work to have your rental available in a timely fashion. No matter the size of your next project, Danella Rental Systems is ready to help ensure your crews have the equipment and the vehicles needed to get the job done.